Everyone, I am back with a new video. In this episode, I'll be showing you how you can download Metatrader 5 on Android device. So to download and install the Metatrader 5 on your Android device, it's a very simple process. You just have to follow the steps. So in some cases, the following application is not available. So if you're unable to find it on your Play Store, then it means the following application is not available in your region. So go ahead and open up your Play Store. On the search box, type in Metatrader 5 and you can see this is actually the official Metatrader 5. So you have to install this application by pressing the install button. As soon as you press the install button, it's going to take a couple of seconds depending on the Wi-Fi connection that you are connected to. And when you're done installing the application, next what you have to do is you just have to go ahead and start with the demo account. So that's how you can download and install Metatrader 5 on your Android device. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.